ocean color surfing, telling us to ride. Surfing wants you to ride. Get a grip on yourself, on yourself.
Welcome back to another vlog. I just got done working out. It's a little bit of a mess. And my camera's about to die. I cannot figure out how to charge my new camera. I'm just about to make a smoothie. So let me make my smoothie, charge the camera, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Let's try this again really quick. I can talk to you guys for a sec and then charge it again, I guess, while I get dressed and everything. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog. My second vlog back, and it's Friday right now. And I just posted my video, first video back on Sunday. And guys, I just want to thank you so much for all your love and support on that video. Like, I was so nervous to post again after not posting for so long, and then post a video that I filmed pre-COVID, which I said in the description that the reason I posted it was because, I don't know, it's just like, I was in London, it's one of my favorite cities, and I vlogged, and like, I don't know when I'm gonna get another trip like that with COVID and everything now, so I just really wanted to post it, but we're current now. So everybody's comments were so nice. Like, I seriously wanted to cry reading your comments. Like, everybody was just so sweet and welcoming, and it just really means a lot. So I just made my smoothie. This is my go-to smoothie. I want to show you guys how I made it, but I'll maybe show you another vlog. But I've been trying new plant-based protein powders. This one, I just got it from Whole Foods, and I really like it. It doesn't have that like artificial sugar taste, you know what I mean? I hate that. And it's not chalky. It's really good, really chocolatey, so it's good. I just did my workout. Oh my god, I am so out of shape, y'all. I was pretty consistent working out during quarantine, and then like once August, September hit, it was a New Year's resolution of mine to start working out. And here it is, March. I'm just starting like my New Year's resolutions. And literally I had like all these resolutions for January, and January went by, February went by, and I'm just like now starting my New Year's resolutions. This is my second workout of the week, and it's Friday. So well, hopefully I can work out tomorrow, and that'll be like my accomplishment. So take it from me, if you kind of skipped out on your New Year's resolutions, January, you let January and February get by, even March, come along with me and start your New Year's resolutions with me this month, or collect your thoughts, collect your goals, and start in April. And trust me, when December comes around, I like can't talk because I was working out. I was gonna catch my breath. When December rolls around, it's not gonna matter if you started your New Year's resolutions in January, March, April, May. It's just gonna matter that you started. Trust me. Sorry, I got cut off again, but I think I finally got my camera charged while I was getting ready for the day. I say for the day, but it's like 4 o'clock. But I don't even know like where I got cut off, but basically I wanted to tell you guys that I just don't want you to think just because you saw me like wake up in the morning and work out. First of all, I worked out at I started working out at like 1:30, 2 o'clock, and no, I do not like wake up in the morning and work out. I wish that I could, but it's really hard. I really fell out of the geek of working out, and I'm trying to get myself back motivated again, but it really is hard. And I just don't want you to think that I'm like waking up in the morning, working out, like, you know, having the perfect day. I have to really like mentally motivate myself to work out. I really would like to work up to working out like 5 times a week, but right now that's hard. That's a big stretch. So right now I'm just trying to start, you know, just trying to work out 3 times a week if I can, and that's, for me right now, that's doing my best. If I can work out more than that, great, but that's what I'm gonna at least try to do. And like I said, it's Friday, and this was my second workout of the week on Friday. So that's where I'm at. My boyfriend and I, we like bought ourselves a Peloton for Christmas, and I haven't even done 10 rides, and it's March. So, and like I said, I had New Year's resolutions, and I literally started those this month in March. So, and I'm just sharing this with you guys in case any of you feel like you can relate. And if you can, like, let's start you can start your New Year's resolutions in March or April with me, and it's fine, you know what I mean? In December, it won't matter when you started. It'll just matter that you started and you didn't let another year go by without, you know, kind of tackling your goals. Because most likely, if you start working towards your goals or just going for something and you're consistent about it, like, most likely you're not going to fail. It might take you a little longer than you thought to get to your goals, but just starting isn't an accomplishment in itself. Failing is not starting. That's my opinion. It's better to start and it take a long time than to never start. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but that's kind of how I feel. And I'm just going for it, you know? Let's get these goals started. I wanted to start back on YouTube this month, starting to work out this month. I started my financial goals. Sorry, I'm just trying to find this nail salon. There it is. I started, like, kind of working on my financial goals this month. You know, just like my savings goals, investing, things like that. Just educating myself more on finances and just really taking a step back and looking at it. But yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And I'm going right now to get my nails done. I wasn't not planning on getting my nails done today, but I have 3 broken nails, and I figured that it would be better to do that now on Friday than trying to get them done this weekend. Actually, is there anyone behind me? And I need to go into, I'm actually right by Home Depot. I need to go into Home Depot and get a new water filter. Okay. Got my nails done. Went into Home Depot, which was right by the nail salon. So I got my, like, water filter or whatever. And get in here. Like, ain't no way I was about to be vlogging up in Home Depot. Like, I'm already intimidated being in there already. I don't go to Home Depot that often. I've been there a lot more since I've lived in a house. But, yeah, I don't know where anything is in Home Depot or anything about that stuff. But anyways, last time I bought the water filter, I got it online. I got it on Amazon, but it wasn't going to be in stock until like March 30th or something. In stock March 30th, and then still have to ship it. It's $49.99 in Home Depot, and on Amazon it's $41.51. And like, I've heard of people asking for price matches, and I've never done it anywhere, but I know it is a thing. And I'm like, you know what, I'm just about to ask if they price match, because it's like almost $10 cheaper on Amazon. And they did. I felt like a real adult right then, asking for the price match, getting it. I just realized you guys can see this vase back here. But anyways, my niece is so cute. My well, I call her my sister-in-law, but she's like my future sister-in-law because she's my wife. Oh my god, what am I even saying right now? She's my boyfriend's brother's wife, and his family is like my family. We've been together forever. But anyways, she just sent me a picture of our niece, and she's just so adorable. Like, anytime she sends me you guys probably feel the same way, like whenever you get a picture of your niece or whoever, it just makes my day, you know? But anyways, I need to pick me up, so I'm at Starbucks. Hi, can I do a venti lemonade with dragon fruit?
Venti mango dragon fruit lemonade?
Yes. Oh my god, how cute is this? Ooh. No, thank you. Hits every time. I'm at Home Goods now. Actually, I always hit up the decor aisle when I come. That's where I always find like the cutest little things. And I'm not looking for anything specific, but I guess if I had to look, it would be for our sunroom is my next kind of project at our house. Cute. I haven't vlogged in so long. It feels so awkward. I think these are cute. These would be cute for my sunroom. I think it said $39.99. Love these lamps. This would be so cute, but I literally have nowhere to put them. I don't think I'm waiting in this line. Okay, that was a hard pass. The line was so long, and I'm not about to wait in that line. Hopefully Karen doesn't think I was stealing because I was like kind of in line with my vase and then I got out and just left. But the guy at the entrance saw me walk in with that vase. But anyways, and obviously I have the receipt, but I was not about to wait in that line. If I had found something that I wanted to buy, I would have waited in the line, but
wanna know how good he makes me feel. Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you're getting a back rub and the night just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes to cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. Or stay after you meditate. Tell me, sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real?
That's how you know you found real love. That's how you know you found love. That's how you know you.
I'm going to make myself a spicy margarita. I thought I'd show you guys how I make it. I don't like have an exact recipe because usually I just like throw everything together, taste it to figure out what it needs and what it doesn't need. But I'll show you the basics, and then if you want to make it at home, just like, you know, just taste it, see what you need to adjust until I can come out like with an exact recipe for you. But I'm gonna make myself this while I wait for my wings, because that was my boyfriend's plate that I showed you. So I'm doing like a half a jalapeno, and I'm gonna put it in my little mixer. And I'll do one for a garnish. Now, I like mine spicy, but my stomach doesn't, so just be careful. I put a pinch of salt, and first of all, I like my margarita spice. I like my margaritas salty, and on top of that, it helps break down the jalapeno. So I'm gonna muddle this. I think I put too much, so I'm using. I took some out. I'll save that for the next batch. And then I'm using, this is a tequila I'm using today. This is my first time trying it. It's from Costco. We just went to Costco for the first time yesterday, and we got this. We usually get Casamigos Anejo, or we usually get Casamigos Reposado, but we decided to try this because we go through it so fast. I'm making 2 margaritas, and I like a shot and a half in my margaritas. They're both for me, so I'm gonna do this is lime juice. You can do fresh squeezed, but I just get this being simple today. So I'm doing half a shot lime juice. And then fresh pineapple juice. Ingredients is only pineapple juice. And I'm going to do, actually doing 4. I'm doing a little bit more salt because, like I said, I like mine salty. It just like balances everything out. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of agave. I'm gonna do half a shot. Ice. Do some salt for my rim. You do regular salt, Himalayan salt. This is sea salt. And you could do chili lime salt, tahini, whatever. And I'm going to take jalapeno. You can use lime. Oh, my camera's about to die. For garnish. Making a mess. Making a mess. There we go. Cheers. Perfect. And I'm glad that I recorded that so that I can know exactly the measurements, because I literally don't know. I just be winging it every time. But that was, I feel like that one was perfect. And this tequila is really good. We're about to watch Justice League, and look, it's 4 hours. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. We didn't end up watching Justice League because it was 4 hours, so we're gonna watch it a different day. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. My next video is going to be like a back to work flight attendant vlog. This one wasn't because I'm on my off days right now, so that's why I vlogged here at home. So I hope you still liked it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I was thinking in a future video to do like a life update mukbang. I don't know. Let me know if that's something that you want to see. But either way, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Found real love, that's how you know. That's how you know you found love. That's how you know. That's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl. When you found love, feel it in you, girl.
Have you ever found some change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst?
Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so